meal everyone felt stomach pain. The man realized there was something wrong with the food, but the ingredients were all prepared by himself, except for the last salt which was handed over by his apprentice. The chef finally realized the truth, so he angrily questioned his apprentice, but he denied it. The villagers no longer trusted the chef. The man couldn't explain himself, so the village head drove him away. In order to make a living, the chef came to a restaurant to apply for a job. His competitor was this guy. The guy caught a pufferfish. He used his precise knife skill, fully sliced it into sashimi. Then the man picked a sea bream. He cut open the fish's back and sliced it into thin pieces. What's more magical? That sea bream was still swimming. Even with only bones left, it couldn't feel the pain. The chef's dish was favored by the boss. The guy was puzzled. Turned out the man had used an ice knife just now. The guy was convinced. He even asked to become the man's apprentice. Hearing that the man's cooking was really good, the restaurant's head chef felt threatened. So the head chef also wanted to compete with the man in cooking. Whoever lost